I don't know if I want to try this the second time up. Iceberg's still there.
Yes, he is. 81. It's not going to work as resistance forever, guys. I already worked a few minutes ago. You got to be real careful short. How many has he done?
He's done 543. It's bigger than the prior ones. He's still there.
He's got
650, 755.
It goes.
Did 1,000.
There it is. With a big buyer to boot. Push him through. Now you got to look at this for quick old resistance, new support. Just the old, everybody thinks the more resistance works, the more it's going to work. Opposite, especially when you see a big order hidden up there. And then the big buyer is able to push it through. Now you got to watch that area 81, 83 now as being new support on a pullback. There's some of it.